there's an Evo over here that is crazy looking. Yes. Big turbo, slicks all around. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Just to show you guys. Check this thing out. Big old tires.
Oh, that's fucking nice.
It's crazy looking. Some fast boys here. Then that M3. M3 looks pretty sick. Look at this thing. Little kidneys. Is crazy. 4th gear, 40 miles an hour. I had to brake boost like crazy. Look, I got the jitters. Gotta pull over for a little bit, you know, let this fucker cool down. Well, not really, but pull her out, let her chill here for a bit. That's crazy. Let her chill out for a bit, you know? That's my girl. The first few runs, we were actually going good, you know? Damn, this thing, she has potential, man. She has potential. Woo! A GTR, man. A GTR. Woo! I brake boosted so hard for that race with the GTR that, because we were rolling, what, 47, 50 miles an hour, and I was in 4th, and I was going to drop it. But he started honking, man, so I couldn't really. So I was like, brake boost it for the win. And now, honestly, my brakes are done. I don't know if you can hear them. Let me see. I'm gonna lower the window, you can hear it. They're bad, man. But honestly, like, that was a good race. The last one, we were neck and neck because thank God for brake boosting. But the first few races, I didn't think he was flooring it. But then when I would let off, I could see him coming. I was like, nah, he's flooring it. That's pretty badass, man. 500 horsepower. This car surprises me, honestly, with 500. I wonder what, on kill, you know, 600? Wonder how much. This is fun, man. Pretty excited. I got, the adrenaline, my bad. I still feel pretty hyped. But, man, that thing was a good run, man. The guy was surprised too. Hopefully, I want to see if I got his face expression, because every time I kept looking at him, he's like, you know? Like, it was pretty cool. His face expression said everything, you know? $150,000, $160,000 car. That's how much they are right now, I think. Versus $10,000 with an eBay turbo. Honestly, man, shout out to David from ImportAuto Pros. You killed it with the tune, man. This thing's a beast. Can't wait to put it on kill. And the brakes are done. They're loud. Oh well, but still feel a little jittery. See if I can hold it still. But yeah, man. I'm gonna post that race. You might see it on Build versus Build on Instagram. I usually send my races out there, even if I lose, win or lose, doesn't matter. But I'll post them there. Oh, also with a 5.0, I actually raced a 5.0. Yeah, that's pretty much it.